Hi, this video will show you how to set preference in QuickBooks. First, you go to Edit and choose Preferences. Let's try to change some settings in accounting. Note that there are 23 different preferences. For each of these, you have some selections for My Preferences right here, which are for your own desktop, and Company Preferences will apply to all users. We will set a few preferences here to get things started. So for accounting, we click Company Preferences. Click Use Account Numbers. So the account numbers will reinforce the basic accounting structure of assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. So for the closing date, you can set it here. We will choose a closing date for the fiscal year. Remember that the fiscal year does not have to be the same as the calendar year. Your professor will tell you the closing date to choose. It is good practice to protect the closing date with a username and password. For example, the password can be your name. Note the additional controls for transactions that fall outside of the expected range. Okay. Next, let's try to change some preferences in items and inventory. So here, for company preferences, we click inventory and purchase orders are active. As a retail company, you'll be buying and selling products, which are your inventory. Therefore, we need to activate inventory and the purchases of inventory in the system. Okay, so next, let's try to change some preferences in sales tax. So, do you charge sales tax? You click yes, and then you add sales tax items here. So you can input the information. So I'll do an example here. And then after you've done, click OK. So this box allows you to add the Cook County Department of Revenue to the vendor list. So click add. So it's already added automatically. So and then we click OK. You'll learn more about items as well as learning more about vendors and customers in other videos. So this video shows you some QuickBooks setting preferences.